All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. In IELTS speaking part 1, examiner will ask you some questions. It's going to be a very friendly conversation and try to answer in 4-5 sentences. Never give abrupt answer. For example, what's your favorite food and you say chicken, one word answer only. Try to elaborate your answer in minimum 3 to 4 sentences and that's going to be okay. Now, I will ask you some questions about food. Have you tried or have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, of course. Many times I have tried foreign foods, whether it's Chinese or Italian, and but I didn't like much because we are habitual of eating our desi food,
Desi food is not right, local food.
local food.
Okay.
So that's why my
All right. So
experience is
try to speak actively, energetically, and excitedly.
okay.
Right? So activeness, energy, and excitement, these things are very important. Let's go on. Do you like to try new food?
Obviously, I like to try new foods. I like to cook different recipes by watching online videos and following some famous chefs. So you may say it's my hobby to cook good foods and
Okay.
serving to my family.
All right. What kind of new food you have tried recently?
It was cake recipe that I tried last week. Um, it was, but it proved a little bit hard for me to bake it because it was my first experience. The experience was not good by baking.
Okay. All right, it's good. Your English is fine, but you're having hesitation to express yourself freely. So try to express yourself freely. One last question. What kind of foreign food is popular in your country?
In my country, people are much foodie and they like to eat junk foods such as pizzas and burgers and many other bakery baked items. So I would say they like to eat Italian foods, which includes pizzas and other junk foods.
Okay, the word pizzas is wrong. The correct word is
Pizza.
pizza with
Pizza.
D
Yeah.
sound, pizza.
Okay.
Okay, so you should focus your pronunciation,
Sure.
practice all these topics. Now, let's go on. It's your turn. Did you save money when you were a child?
Yes, of course. I used this habit.
I used to
I
save
used
money
to
in my
save the money
childhood.
in my childhood because this is a very good habit and activity. Because sometime I bought us some toys. This saving money I was using in this purpose.
Okay, you need to focus your sentence structure. You should say, in my childhood, I had to buy toys. So, in order to buy toys, I used to save money.
Money, yes.
Something like that.
सर
Proper
randomly
sentence.
ideas आ रहे होते हैं ना
Now,
तो हाँ जी
English, ideas should come in English, the first thing. Second, if your language, your sentence structure is not correct, then you will not be able to express your
yes हाँ
ideas.
जी
Okay. Now, let's go on. Have you ever given money to other children?
uh,
Have you
and
ever given money to other children?
yes sometimes mostly I gave the money with my gave to money my friends especially my सही बोल रहे हैं
Yeah,
सर
yeah, that's right. Carry on.
कुछ
Just
ऐसा कि
speak.
yes
Answer the question. Yeah.
sometime my safe money gave my best friend whose name is Sana because she was very she was very humble as well as very friendly to me. So I prefer gave the money to my friend.
I prefer to give money to my friend is grammatically wrong. You can say in my childhood, I preferred to give
Preferred
money to my friend.
to my
Okay,
friend.
one last question. Do you think parents should teach their children to save money?
Yes, it is a very important advice as well as habit parents mustly advised to save the money to their child, because in their childhood most of habits developed, as well as a person may be habitual by adopting this type of activity.
This answer is irrelevant, unclear. I don't understand what you are trying to say. The question is simple. Do you think parents should teach their children to save money? So
Yes.
instead of focusing on habits and all that, you need to just talk about one single thing, that is saving money, and parents should teach their children. So I would
Saving
say,
money is very good in this sense, sir.
no, not in this sense. For example, do you think parents should teach children to save money? I think it is crucial for the parents to guide their children to put by some money. Because, if children learn to save money in their childhood, when they grow up and they become adults, they will use the same skill to be prosperous in their life monetarily. So I think it's very important. Money management is one of the important aspects of our life, and at a very young age, it is the responsibility of parents to teach their children. Something like that, okay? Answer should be clear. And it's not that you pick up one word and you speak on that. You need to answer the question in
Meaning,
detail, right?
yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.